What's up guys, it's Take Only and today I'm going to show you how to fix the no service and how to bypass the iCloud for the iPhone 4 without having to use the carrier bundles and all this shit. Okay, right now I'm restoring my iPhone. Here my iPhone 4, iOS 7.1.2. I'm restoring it. When you restore your iPhone, it will be locked to iCloud again. I'll show you how to bypass the iCloud and how to have the signal back, the service. First, you need there's no file needed for this method. You don't need any files, but there is another method to send some files to the iPhone. I will put the link here in the screen, or you find it in the description. Okay, I will pause the video until the restore is finished. Okay guys, the iPhone was restored. Now we must put it in DFU mode. Turn down the iPhone. Hold the power button and the home button. 10 seconds. Release the power button but keep holding the home button. Now the phone is connected. Now go and on the SSH file. You'll find the link to download it in the description. The phone will connect and disconnect many times. Don't worry, just do it well. Now run WinCP localhost 22 root alpha. You will find these details in this. Connected to localhost, right here localhost. Port 2022. Username root, password Alpine. Hit enter. Now go to this black icon, terminal, click OK. Write mount.sh. Mount.sh. Go to root, refresh, go to MNT1, application, setup.app, delete it. It's okay. Now we move to the phone and show you the rest. Okay guys, now we have done with this. See, the iPhone will be stuck on this logo. Press the home button, power button for 10 seconds. Release everything. It must boot now in recovery mode. Here. Okay, wait a second. Run Tiny Umbrella. Okay. Select the device and click on Exit Recovery. The phone should exit that mode. we have fully functioning iPhone, but do not input the SIM card. You must not put the SIM card yet. Now go and connect to Wi-Fi network. Go now to iCloud and sign with your Apple ID. Fuck. Now we're done. Click OK. Make sure that Find My iPhone icon is on. Go to Safari. Go to icloud.com. Click on Install Find My iPhone. For fuck's sake. And we wait for it to be installed. I will pause the video and go back when the installation is finished. Now the application has done installing. Enter enter your passcode. It has not located the iPhone yet. You have to wait some time, maybe around 2 hours, 3 hours, and be sure that your location service is on. Let's see. Location service is off. Make sure that it's on. And you have enabled Find My iPhone. And it will take time to load. After that, when the iPhone, we show here the iPhone 4. Enter to the iPhone and hit erase iPhone. And click on erase iPhone. There you say erasing iPhone. It will be done. You will be sent an email to you confirming that your iPhone has been erased from this iCloud. After that's finished, connect your iPhone to iTunes and do a complete restore. Restore the iPhone to 7.1.22, and it will not demand the iCloud lock. It will go fluently and will simply work. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem or any questions, please make sure to put them in the comment section below, and